Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I need to welcome myself back to my channel, honey. It has been a while. Did you miss me? I hope so, because I sure did miss you guys. All right, today we're going to be making this amazing creamy lemon butter salmon. And I know you guys are definitely going to enjoy it. Listen, I know I haven't been dropping videos as I should. Honey got a day job, okay? Bills has to be paid. You know, you got to do what you got to do. But I'm going to make sure you guys have new recipes to try out weekly, I promise. Okay? So here we are going to just drizzle some olive oil over the salmon. Then we are going to mix our spices here. Now, if you just want to add salt and pepper, that is absolutely fine. It is not going to take away any taste or flavor from this recipe. All right, so here I'm just making sure the back and the front of the salmon is well coated with the oil. And now I am going to add my seasoning. Not to worry, everything that I'm using, as I mentioned, will be in the description box. So this is my well-seasoned salmon. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Okay, so this year I would have planted my rosemary and basil. But the basil did not survive, unfortunately, so I had to bury that. So here is my rosemary. We're gonna try again next year on the basil. Blooming. So let's get back to our kitchen. To a preheated pan, I just added some oil and butter, about 2 tablespoons. Allow this to melt slowly. Then we're gonna add our well-seasoned salmon here. Now allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on each side. We are going to remove, into the very pan, we're going to remove the rosemary. Also, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Allow that to melt. Add your diced onions and garlic. And of course, some sun-dried tomatoes. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Then we're going in with our white cooking wine. And of course, we are going to add some of our stock here. And I'm using chicken stock, which I had at hand. You can use whatever stock you have. And of course, your lemon juice. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Then add your cream. Additional minute. Adjust your flavoring here before you go ahead and add your salmon. You're going to add your salmon here and allow this to cook for about no more than 3 minutes. All right. You're going to also add some capers as well. Taste and adjust your flavoring here. All right. After 3 minutes, you can turn your stove off, remove from heat. This is absolutely melt in your mouth, like no dry salmon over here. This was perfect. This was also eaten with some lime and cilantro rice. I'll drop the video for that soon. So be kind to yourself and each other, and do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye bye.